This 2018 Forest River Wildwood X-Lite 241QB front queen, rear bath is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 26 feet 11 inches in length and features a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 6, air conditioning, skylight, auxiliary battery, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River Wildwood X-Lite 241QB front queen, rear bath is 4,482 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.